Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant magnetic pull from someone? It's almost as if they radiate a force that's both mysterious and powerful, a force that commands attention without saying a word. Now imagine having that kind of energy yourself, an energy so strong that it influences everything around you, including your path to success. This phenomenon is often referred to as aura maxing. Sounds intriguing, right? Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating concept. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to cultivate your own powerful aura, one that helps you succeed, grow, and achieve your wildest dreams. But be warned, this isn't just about looking confident or faking positivity. It's about real, impactful transformation. So stay with me, because I guarantee by the end of this video, you'll see why enhancing your aura could be the secret to unlocking your potential. Alright, let's get started by understanding what exactly aura maxing means and how it relates to the energy you carry. Point 1. Understanding aura maxing. Aura maxing may sound like just another trendy term, but it's rooted in something real. At its core, it's about enhancing your energy field, your aura, so it radiates positivity, confidence, and resilience. Think of your aura as a kind of invisible vibe that can influence not only how people perceive you, but also how you perceive yourself. And no, we're not talking about a mystical force field or wizardry here. Imagine it as your personal presence amplifier. Studies show that people with strong self-belief often have a presence that naturally attracts others and invites opportunities. But here's the thing. This presence doesn't happen by accident. It requires a clear mind, a strong sense of purpose, and most importantly, an energy that says, I'm here, and I'm ready to conquer whatever comes my way. So how do you build this powerful aura? Let's break down the first essential step. Point 2. Building inner confidence. Confidence is the backbone of an impactful aura. Without it, even the strongest aura won't sustain itself. But true confidence isn't about pretending to be fearless. It's about being comfortable in your skin, knowing your strengths, and yes, even embracing your weaknesses. Think of confidence like a superpower. But unlike superheroes, we don't get a costume that magically boosts our powers. We build it from within. To start building this kind of confidence, try practicing self-affirmations daily. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your wins, even the tiny ones. Over time, you'll feel an inner glow that's almost magnetic, and trust me, others will notice. Building confidence isn't just about feeling good, it's about cultivating a force that naturally draws success toward you. Now that we have confidence as our foundation, let's amplify it with something even more powerful. Point 3. Cultivating positivity and gratitude. Next up, positivity and gratitude. Two elements that directly impact the brightness of your aura. A positive aura makes you resilient and gives you an inner light that shines even in tough situations. Imagine going through challenges with the mindset that everything is a lesson. How powerful would that make you? Think of gratitude like a booster shot for your aura. Just like that first cup of coffee in the morning, but minus the jitters. Practicing gratitude daily rewires your brain to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. It makes you appreciate where you are and keeps you grounded while you chase bigger dreams. Every time you embrace gratitude, you're literally enhancing your aura with positive energy that draws others and success closer. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Imagine if your aura could influence not just your life, but also the people around you. Point 4. Practicing empathy and emotional intelligence. People with powerful auras have one thing in common. They make others feel seen, valued, and understood. By practicing empathy and honing your emotional intelligence, you can deepen your connection with those around you, making your aura magnetic. And no, this doesn't mean reading minds or becoming a people pleaser. Empathy is about balance. Start small by actively listening in conversations without rushing to respond. The more you genuinely understand others, the stronger your energy field becomes. People are naturally drawn to those who listen, and this skill alone can set you apart in both personal and professional settings. Empathy and emotional intelligence are like fuel for your aura. But here's the final piece that ties it all together. 5. Practicing self-care and mindfulness. To keep your aura strong and radiant, you have to take care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally. Self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. Your energy is like a battery. If it's drained, your aura will be too. Think of self-care as charging your personal aura battery. After all, even our smartphones need a recharge, right? Mindfulness practices like meditation, journaling, or simply taking a break can work wonders. These habits reduce stress, increase focus, and allow your authentic energy to shine. Self-care is the bridge between internal strength and external radiance. It's the final step that ensures your aura is consistently strong, positive, and inspiring. So there you have it, aura maxing. A journey of building inner confidence, radiating positivity, understanding others deeply, and recharging your energy. Imagine walking through life with an aura so compelling that it not only draws opportunities to you, but also positively impacts everyone around you. Powerful, right? But remember, this isn't a one-time fix. Enhancing your aura is a journey of continuous self-growth and commitment. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. Check out my video on how to deal with loneliness to dive even deeper into habits that support long-term growth and wealth creation. Start your journey to a magnetic, success-attracting aura. Click on the video here, and I'll see you in the next one.